Alright, hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to hyperlink. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what a hyperlinked PowerPoint looks like. Then I'm going to go through a step-by-step instruction on how to hyperlink. Yes, I'm recording this at home on a Sunday. I'm in my guest room, and yeah, happy Sunday. It's the first day of football season, so I will see my face on your screens tomorrow morning. Or Tuesday, I've already seen my face on your screens. Alright, moving on. So, first thing I want to do is I need to put my PowerPoint in presentation mode. There you go. Now, how to hyperlink. This is my example PowerPoint, and this is an example of what you were going to be creating today. So, here is my dog. Of course, he's like everything, so I decided to create a PowerPoint of him. Scotty Pippen Holmes the first. Here is his favorite things. So I want you to create a PowerPoint of your favorite things, a quick PowerPoint, and it's going to be hyperlinked. So this is what a hyperlinked PowerPoint usually looks like. There is a first page, so this is like page 1. So now I'm going to click on the things that this PowerPoint has. So first, my dog likes bones, so I'm going to click bones. So you see like the picture takes you to a different page, and this page says, I like bones. So now I need to click the hyperlinked object to go back to the page. So now I'm going to click the bones, and here I am. Now let's go to tennis balls. Same thing, he likes tennis balls. Now we have to get back to the first page, so we're going to click our hyperlinked object right here and go back to the first page. Now, let's click this picture. This is his best friend Dixie. He loves his best friend Dixie. So now we have to go back to the first page. Then he loves Bones. This is his favorite bone. So what he actually did, or what I did, is you click this picture right here. And this is a different version of a hyperlink. This is a hyperlink that takes you to a web page. So this is the link to where I have to pay for this bone. Yes, it's like 20 bucks. Now I need to close all tabs. And then there you go. This is a hyperlinked PowerPoint. Now I'm going to go through step by step and show you actually how to hyperlink it. So here's my step-by-step instructions. I actually wrote them out for you. So this is what this looks like. Now I need to get out of presentation mode. So I'm going to press the escape button on my computer. And here we are. So the first thing you need to do to insert a hyperlink, let me make this bigger on your screen so we can see it. I think that looks better. Perfect. So to insert a hyperlink into another slide, we need to right click. So remember guys, that actually means clicking the right side of your mouse. And you want to hyperlink an object. So I need to pick an object I need to hyperlink. So I'm going to, let's go for shapes. I'm going to click a shape. I'm going to choose a star. I'm going to draw it right here. There we go. Now I'm going to right click the selected text or image. So this is an image. So right click the right side of your mouse. Then let me make sure that you can actually see this. Then I'm going to click hyperlink. This is where it gets confusing. So to hyperlink to another part of the PowerPoint, you want to hyperlink to a place in this document. I'm going to hyperlink it to the very first page. So I click place in this document. Then I click the how to hyperlink slide. Then I'm going to click OK. Now I need to go to the very first slide. Click shapes, add the star, draw it, right click, hyperlink, then I'm going to move it back to step-by-step instructions. So anytime you click a slide, you're going to see where it goes. So my suggestion is that you want to create all of your images and all of your slides first before you hyperlink them. So I'm going to hyperlink this back to step-by-step instructions. So now I'm going to click presentation mode again. See my star? I'm going to click it right here. Now it takes us to step-by-step instructions. Then I'm going to click it again. And it takes us back to that page. So that is a hyperlink in a PowerPoint. Now, you can also hyperlink text. So how to hyperlink text is I'm going to highlight the text right here, right-click, hyperlink, and I want to hyperlink it to the very first page. So I'm going to click how to hyperlink, click OK. And see, anytime, do you see that line right there? Anytime that you hyperlink text, there's going to be a line underneath because you're actually clicking a link. Now I'm going to show you how to hyperlink to a web page. So I'm going to click Shapes. I'm going to draw a square. There we go. Now I'm going to right-click, click Hyperlink, existing file or web page. I'm going to put google.com. There we go. Click OK. Now when I click presentation mode, I'm going to click this right here, and it's supposed to take me to Google, but I forgot to put www. So let's try that again. I'm going to click Edit Hyperlink, not Google, Google. Now I'm going to click OK. Let's try this again. And there we go. That's how it takes us to a web page. So for your PowerPoint, you may choose, let's say, 4 images, and 1 image must be linked to a website. I'm going to post all of that below. I hope this video helps, and just raise your hand if you have any questions. I'll be drinking my coffee behind you. Have a great Monday or Tuesday.